Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your source. This saves time and frustration. First, locate the TV input you will use. HDMI is preferred for video and audio in one cable. Next, make sure the movie file uses a supported container and codec. If not, convert it. Once done, attach the proper cable or adapter to your phone, tablet, or laptop. Make sure the TV input matches the cable, so you can switch inputs and start the connection process immediately. Decide how you will stream the movie and why each option matters. Wired HDMI gives the most reliable, highest quality signal. Use it for 4K or large files. Wireless casting via Chromecast or AirPlay is convenient for mobile devices. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. For many files across devices, set up DLNA or Plex so the TV reads your media server. Once you pick a method, pair devices, open the movie app, and select the TV as the playback target to now complete playback and verify everything looks and sounds correct. Select the TV input, start the movie, then check audio tracks and subtitles, switch them if they are wrong. Adjust resolution and aspect ratio to fit the screen. 16:9 is common, so no cropping occurs. If video lags or audio is out of sync, pause, rewind a bit, or reduce resolution. If that fails, restart both devices, swap the cable, or try the wireless cast alternative. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.